Check it.
Hey everyone, it's Yumin here. Ew, I look ugly. Give me one second.
I look ugly. Give me 1 second. You know what I'm saying?
Hello everyone, I'm back. Looking more put together, yeah? Today's video would be like hairstyles. Hairstyles kind of like the way how I style my hair. There's gonna be a few hairstyles, so watch until the end and see how many hairstyles are there. And if you're impatient, look at the description, okay? So let's get into it. So this is my first hairstyles, and that's it.
Just kidding.
As you may see, I've done a middle parting by separating 2 equal chunks of hair in both my hands, then twisting it outwards, and how dumb of me not to introduce the necessary equipment for this entire video.
Claw clip, they're important. Small claw clip, it can be colorful as well. Hair rubber band, she's crucial. Same thing if you like it colorful. Bobber pin, she's the essence to this video. Did you think I'll ask for colorful bobber pins? Haha, nah, cause we need to hide it. Now let's carry on.
So right here, I'm using a big claw clip on my hair that I've twisted earlier. And for the bangs,
Hi sisters!
so right here, I'm smoothing out my bangs. I don't know how people call it, a fringe or a bang, I don't know. And then I use my hair curler to curl it outwards. Well, obviously this kind of hair curler takes time, but if you don't want to wait, you can use those with heat, it's way faster. Same goes to the next one as well. Outwards and curl them upwards. And you can start doing your makeup, getting all ready. Now with your wavy bangs, you can use a comb with a sharp end like this.
What the f?
Oops, my brain got hijacked. Well, of course not as sharp to poke through your skull. You get what I mean, right? So, for me, I personally don't like seeing my hairline like this. Too much of my hair skull. And I don't have the pom-pom thing
Did you mean pang pang hair shadow?
to darken my hair, my scalp. So I'm gonna do a zigzagging all the way up. At this point, you can just keep doing it until you get the result that you desire. You don't need the pom-pom thing. All you need is just a comb like this. So the next one. For this hairstyle, it's extremely easy. All you need is 2 tiny claw clips, and that's it. You're done. Yes, it's a middle parting, and I'm doing this exact thing again because I want no one to see my scalp. Then I proceed to grab a small chunk of my hair. As you can see, like how much of the hair that I'm grabbing here, away from my face. Duh! No hair is gonna block my vision. Same goes to the other side. And finally, clip everything up. There you go. Next. Starting off with this hairstyle, it's the same as how we started off with the previous one. Just that we're using an even smaller chunk of our hair. Then I start braiding that small piece of my hair. And for the rest of the hair, I just pull it all back and use a bobby pin to clip it behind my ears. And that same thing goes to the other side. You may notice that the braids are looking quite small and tiny, so you may want to pull it out a little bit to make it look chunkier, fatter, and thicker. Then clip those braids to the back of your ears. And congratulations, you're done! For this hairstyle, I don't even know how to explain anymore. Because starting off, it's basically the same concept as the previous one, just that now it's a French braid, but not your normal French braid. I suck at explaining, but it's one-sided kind of French braid. So yeah, just watch and see how it's done. If you get it, okay? Bye. That's You see, in this hairstyle, can go rigorous, you know, like in your head. And it's still fine. Of course, you can also tie all of your hair up into a ponytail or just let loose. Oh, she's looking cute here. Oops, she forgot her pills again. Alright, let's get into business. So, this is obviously a Dutch braid that probably everyone in this world knows how to do it already. This is a very good hairstyle for every outdoor activity and even for doing house chores.
For a moment you thought that I'm gonna be serious for this entire video.
Straightening your hair is way easier than braiding, but you have to be careful of the head. I burned myself quite a few times, but it's fine. Excuse me. Well, I hope you guys find it exciting, find it useful, I don't know. That's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. By the way, I feel like cutting off my hair. Do it. Excuse me.
It's like hell. No.
Wait. Oh, good idea. You can actually use your comb to pull your rubber band out. More secure. Yeah, we do not have the footage of me straightening my hair, so it's fine.